Now the hinges can be mounted to the cabinet door in a few different ways. We have screw-on, press-in, or even tool-free. The screw-on is just that. You simply screw the hinge into the door using either a wood screw or even a Euro screw, depending on your application. The press-in mounting type fixes the hinge to the cabinet with either pressure from a special tool or pressed in with the hinge machine. These hinges come with rib dowels that are pre-attached to the hinges for a quick installation. Now the dowel hinge is designed just like the screw-on hinge, except it has dowels pre-screwed onto that hinge. If we are out of screw-on hinges or you need replace a dowel hinge, the dowels stay in your door. So all you have to do is either get a screw-on hinge, but if we're out of those screw-on hinges, you can also buy a dowel hinge with a pair of pliers and a screwdriver, release the dowel from that hinge, and it is identical to a screw-on hinge at that point, therefore replacing the hinge that is either worn out or damaged that you would like to replace. The expanding dowels mounting type fixes the hinge to the cabinet with dowels that are expanded into place with screws. The holes for an expanding dowel mounted hinge are bored using the same special machine and templates. The rib dowels are pre-attached to the hinges and screwed in with a manual screwdriver to expand the dowel into the holes. Now, just like the expanding type, there is a tool-free mounting type that fixes the hinge to the cabinet with hand pressure instead of a tool. The holes for the tool-free mounted hinge are bored using the same machine and templates. And instead of the dowels, there's little pins there that once you line it up and you push it into the hole, all you need is hand pressure to secure the hinge to the door.